Hello everyone. Are you looking to buy Naukri recruitment services online? If yes, follow this video to know where to go and the mandatory steps to follow. To get started, please go to the URL of www.naukri.com. On the top corner, you will see an option of Buy Online. Click here and you would be redirected to this page. Here you would see two options. One, the special combo products that you can choose from, and two, the standalone products. One, resume database, which is a data bank of registered job seekers from which you can search relevant resumes and contact them. And two, job postings, which is a platform to post and showcase a job listing on the platform of Naukri.com, where job seekers can apply to the same. So select the desired package. Let's suppose I'll click on this and it will take you to a new page. Here, if you are an existing user, click here to log in, or if you have already logged in, go to the URL appearing on your screen. However, if you are a new user, you are required to register yourself by filling all these details. As a sample registration, I have filled up all these details. After that, I can click on terms and conditions to read them. And then if I agree, I can check this box and click on register now. Pause the registration, review the product details, and click on proceed to choose the payment method. Here you can make the payment and you will be able to complete the process. That is all about it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, hit the like button.